Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to block someone on Viber without them knowing. Alright, subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. And I show you how to do it. Open Viber and click on Kyle's search number and click on press contact info. Alright, and click on right corner pencil and edit contact, and this press block this contact. Alright, that's all. This contact is blocked. And click on save right corner and click on unblock. Alright, this contact unblock. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. That's all. Bye.